Okay. So, hi, my name is Rio.
I'm Marvin.
And I'm Anna.
Today we're presenting you the agentic AI bot that we built for the game of Catan. So it is basically a multi-threaded asynchronous implementation of my logic of how I play Catan. And as some of them may know, I'm kind of known for being clinically good at this game, unfortunately.
Too good.
And as if you see, so the first layer I put in, or we decided to put in, because that's some of their ideas too, is the pre-processing layer, which does all the computation to save AI credits and improve runtimes. So we can run our first line. This is to show the board after the first layer of computation, which is what we call pre-processing. And as you can see, the board is basically augmented with each tile scoring. This example, as you can see here, is during the setup stage that your goal is to try to pick the optimal setup that help you win the game, and then run the whole thing. And then after this, you feed the output of this model into the main asynchronous AI agent, which is basically running about 50 threads, exploring different paths, as well as different options to run this setup that you basically get from the initial board. And then the the thing we implemented is that we have multiple things running simultaneously to reduce the runtime because API agent call will take like a very, very long time, depends on your connection. So I have reduced it down to two layers of AI calls and ensuring that everything that is needed to be synchronous because of logic are split up to its minimal size. And then as you can see, it has been running. And so the main benefit of having this model is that it cut runtime from the traditional synchronous tree search model down to like sub 30 second approximately. And as you can see, the result is full ranking is here. And to interpret this, it is basically picking out the best settle, and this board shows the projected like end state that after everyone pick their optimal spot, and you will end up with this. And if you do a detailed analysis on this board, as I did just right before this demo, you, which is player zero, will have a really high chance of winning this game. You can feel free to, if you know the game, pause the video and do the analysis yourself. You'll probably reach the same conclusion, but for the sake of time, I will not go into it. This analysis will take a very, very, very long time. So yeah, and there are a total of 6 test sets that we did not expose the model on when we developed the model, and of those, all of them, the AI agent is able to hit the optimal solution that I come up with. And each of them took me about 10 minutes to come up, which is not realistic in a game, but the AI is able to spot all of that within the agentic exploration structure.